Well, hello there, boys and girls, ladies and gents, and members of the Big Red Army. It's your boy, Big Red, back for another fast food fat man. Guess what? We're giving a little love to Popeyes. Love that chicken from Popeyes. But no, we're not just going to get their regular chicken. They got a new, you see, I'm parked in the parking lot because I'm going in and I'm going to go home and eat it. It's called the $5 Red Stick Chicken. Looks like you get 4 tenders, a biscuit, and a side. It's pictured with fries, so that's what we're going with, okay? And then, actually, no, I'm not going to get the fries. I'm probably going to get red beans and rice. I hope I can switch out my stuff here. I'll get red beans and rice. And it's only 4 tenders, so you know Fat Man's going to get 2 of these things. It's only $5. Because I don't think they're doing the $5 wing box no more. So this is their new $5 box, and it's the Red Stick Chicken. We're going to see why they call it Red Stick. I know Baton Rouge, Louisiana, is named Red Stick, but, you know, hey. So anyway, that's what we're going to try. And I'm going to get it, and since it's greasy-ass chicken tenders, I'm going to bring them home and eat. So I'll see y'all when I get back to the crib. All right, guys, so we back at the crib. We got our Popeyes chicken tender boxes, or the Red Stick Chicken. It's supposed to be... Oh, you fucking kidding me, Popeyes? Are you fucking kidding me? Them tenders on the commercial, on the box, they were nice and long. Look at these little fucking things. They got extra spice on it. Maybe that's why they call them the Red Stick. I mean, really, come on. Popeyes, come on, yo. And the biscuit's a little hard on the hard side. Let's see what we got in here. We got our biscuit. We're going to throw it in on this side. Really? Come on, Popeyes. That's a fucking nugget. That ain't a damn tender. That's a nugget. That's a half a tender. And I mean, really? Popeyes. Shame on you. Shame the hell on you. So we're going to put all the chicken tenders on this. 4 of them little for $5. Are you fucking out of your mind, yo? And then we got our sides, because it comes with a biscuit and sides. And we got mashed potatoes for 1. We got the red beans and rice for the other. We got our Mardi Gras mustards. And we got our sweet heat. But you know what Big Red did? Big Red said, nah. Big Red said, nah. Big Red still got leftover sauce from when he made those meatballs. So we got sauce to dip it in. What we're going to do is we're going to try one without it. Look at all that redness on there. You'd think it's hot as hell. You'd think. Look at all that. Look, you see all that red spice all right there? Not so spicy. Now we're going to try it in there. Sweet heat sauce. Not even a little heat on the back end. I'm wondering if my son's right. I done burnt off my taste buds. I don't know. But we're going to try it in there. Sweet heat. Mostly breading. Popeyes, shame on you. Okay, okay. Now we're going to try one in their mustard. That Mardi Gras mustard, which ain't nothing but Cajun mustard. Heavy on that horseradish. I mean, come on. Yeah, I mean, really? And the sad thing is most of that's breading. The sweet heat's nothing more than sweet and sour sauce, no heat to it. The Mardi Gras mustard, on the other hand, it's got a little kick to it, but it's because it's got like a horseradish kick. It's not hot on the tongue. It's like when you eat wasabi. You can feel it in your nasal passages. Now let's see what it tastes like in Big Red sauce. Again, mostly breading. Come on, man. And this is that sauce that I made for the meatballs. So you got your grape jelly and your picante sauce. Yo, Popeyes, holla at your boy. Show y'all how to make a sauce. Cause this is fire. I mean, really, Popeyes, look. You call that a tender? It's not even barely considered a nugget. Again, you call that a tender? I mean, it's like a half a tender. Popeyes, holla at your boy. I'll show you how to make this sauce. I'm going to do one more thing with that sauce before. So I'm going to use that nasty sauce. Well, it's not so much that sauce is nasty. But I'm going to make some pasta with that, yo. That's what I'm going to do. You know what else is a sad thing? These bitches ain't give me nothing to eat this with. So I got to go get a spoon and dirty a damn spoon. I mean, really, come on, Popeyes, Popeyes, Popeyes. What are you doing to me? Come on, yo. I'll tell you. Let me go get a spoon real quick. But that's the story of my life. Big Red's always been screwed over, kicked around, beat down, screwed over. So I should be used to it by now. You would figure I would be used to it by now. But come on, Popeyes, I thought we were friends. I thought we were friends, Popeyes. Come on, man. Y'all doing Big Red dirty. Y'all doing me dirty. What the hell is that? Doing me double dirty. Let's see if you this time your mashed potatoes stand up. lukewarm potatoes. The potatoes would actually be cold if it wasn't for the gravy. Sad, Popeye sad. Let's get into these beans and rice. At least the red beans and rice are hot. Let's get back into these not so hot, not so tenders. Should call this Popeye's red stick breading, because this is, I mean, come on, really, Popeye's? Oops, dropped some of my breading. I bet you old Al Copeland's turning in his grave right now to see what his fine establishment has become. Yes, that's the guy who started Popeyes, Al Copeland. The original Popeyes started about 3.5 miles from where I grew up. The very first Popeyes. And now, if I'm not mistaken, they're worldwide. We're not going to eat their biscuits because I'm going to tell you why. Hard as a brick. So what we're going to do, we're not going to waste them. We're going to heat them up in the morning, and we're going to have them for breakfast. But Popeyes, y'all did a boy dirty. Two times in a row you did me dirty. That's all kind of sad, yo. Lukewarm, stiff-ass potatoes. Didn't give me a spoon to eat with, or a spork, whatever y'all give out. What if I was going to have a picnic? Not like everybody carries around a spoon. What if I was a long-haul truck driver and I wanted to eat on the road? How would I eat my beans and potatoes? I mean, come on, Popeyes, really. Stop doing the boy dirty. Your boy loves y'all, but come on, y'all ain't showing no love back. You dip this red stick breading. Look at how much breading and how much meat is in there. Look how sad that is. Look how sad that is. Popeyes, y'all did a boy dirty, dirty. Is this the last one? Yeah, y'all did a brother dirty. I mean, you see all that redness in there, you'd think it's got some spice to it. No. Popeyes, y'all did a brother dirty. I'm going to save them 2 biscuits for the morning. Heat them up, eat them with ketchup. So Popeyes, for your $5 wing bash, this ain't the wing bash, this is the, Popeyes, for your $5 red stick chicken tenders, or red stick chicken is what y'all call it. The dude told me it was supposed to be tenders. That looked like a It forgot the enders. Really, come on. It was supposed to be hot. I saw all the redness on the freaking outside of the breading. I saw a little redding on the meat. You'd think it would have some kind of heat with all that red spices on there. Not so much. Popeye's spicy chicken is spicier than that. And this was supposed to be, like, hot. It's supposed to be, like, he said spicy, the dude tells me. Not so much. And it was like, it was a little over the size of a nugget, but not even half the size of a tender. Come on, yo. Popeyes, get your act together. And then you gave me lukewarm, barely warm mashed potatoes that was stiff like a man who just took some Viagra. And then the red beans and rice was the only saving grace. But I could have chose dirty rice. I could have chose French fries. I could have chose any side. I just happened to choose red beans and rice. So I'm not even rating that. But it's part of the experience, part of the service, part of the package deal. Popeyes, for your $5 red stick freaking chicken, I'm giving y'all like a 0. Y'all get a boo-boo. Y'all get a nothing. A big fat goose egg. The service sucked. I had to wait. The size of the tenders was small. It was like, okay, I got a hard-ass biscuit, a side, and 4 of those little things. Dude, y'all getting a phone call tomorrow, yo. The manager will hear from Big Red. Now, I'll get my meal replaced, yo. You're damn right I am. I never won no lottery. My money tree don't grow. So when I get bad service, bad food, guess what? I'm calling, yo. And hopefully they give me some free food out the deal. Because Fat Man's going to get paid or Fat Man's going to get eaten. One of the things. I'm getting some eats or I'm getting my money back, yo. One of the 2 damn things. But y'all done did me dirty. So y'all get a 0. Don't even bother with the tenders. And if that's the same size as that regular tenders, on the little square freaking poster they got in the window, them tenders look like freaking that long each. Y'all saw the video just now. What the hell I got? Come on, yo. Anyway, enough of me ranting about how piss poor the quality and size and overpriced that was. Just stay away from it. Over here, you got that subscription button. What the hell you waiting for? Hit that thing. You'll be part of the Big Red Food Army, the Big Red Army. Then you got that notification ding-a-ling-a-ling bell. Once you become a subscriber and you hit that bell, you'll be notified when I have new content. You'll never miss another Big Red episode again. Over here, thumbs up, thumbs down. Papa, hit me with one. It doesn't matter which. Just don't hit me dirty like Popeyes did. And then you got that comment section down below. Leave me a comment. I'll leave you one back. Above the comments, but right below the video, you have a description box, and it's got a little thing that makes it open up bigger, like to make it a drop down. You got all kind of information in there. You got a description of the video, links to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. There's a link to my friend's t-shirt website where you could purchase Big Red Show t-shirts, Dark Side of Red t-shirts. There's also a physical address in there where you can sit there and literally send Big Red something. Hate mail, fan mail, anything. You could send me a product that you want me to review. You could send me coupons. You could send me freaking, I don't know, send me something. You want to get your 5 minutes of fame? Get your name shouted out in a video? That's the way to do it. Anyway, there's also a link to my PayPal account. If you want to help sponsor a video, you want to have Big Red go out and try something, and you like, hey, Big Red, I want you to try ABC at the XYZ restaurant, and you want me to try something specific at a certain restaurant, hit me up with that PayPal. You'll get your name shouted out. You know how it works. Know that you don't have to do that, but you can if you want to, and that's what the PayPal thing is there for. And I don't mention it in every video, just every once in a while. If you just want to, help the channel grow, get better equipment, better computer, because my computer's about to damn near die. But, I mean, you know what it is, but you don't have to do that. If you feel generous, that's what it's there for. And now I just want to thank each and every one of you guys from the bottom of the big fat belly to the top of the almost dome. I want to thank all the haters, the subscribers, the fans, the day one sub, the newest sub, the occasional lurker. Thanks to each and every one of you guys for watching the videos. I appreciate it. But I love the subs a little bit more because guess what? They took the time to hit that subscription button. I love the people who comment that are subscribed even a little bit more because they take the time to write Big Red a message. And guess what? I write them a message back. I love you guys. Thank you for watching Big Red Fast Food Fat Man once again. But now it's time to tell your ma, tell your pa, tell your greasy grandma, share the video with your family and friends, show them how you get down with Big Red. Maybe they'd like to get down too. You don't know unless you share the video. Thanks again. And again, stay away from them, the $5 red stick chicken. Stay away. They got that big goose egg, zero zilch, nada. Zippity doo dah. No. Anyway, thanks for watching Big Red for another Fast Food Fat Man. I'll see you guys next time in the drive-thru. Peace. I'm outie. And if you made it this far, # no red stick. Outie.